Good morning, everyone. I, Professor Simi Mulgaonkar, welcome you all to my lecture of Foundation Course Contemporary Issues for Semester 1. Okay, as I said, Semester 1, so probably you will be having two semesters in your FI become semester 1 and semester 2, 100 marks each. So, Foundation Course paper is of 100 marks, so you will be appearing for 100 marks paper. Okay. Next, there are two professors who will be teaching you this subject. As you have already mentioned that Sonali ma'am lecture has been conducted in your divisions, has already been conducted in your division rather. Okay, so आपको पता चल गया हो गया रहेगा कि there are two professors who are going to teach you this particular subject. Okay, so first one is Sonali ma'am, Professor Sonali Khade ma'am, and the second one it's me, Professor Simi Mulgaonkar. So we two professors are going to teach you this subject. So if you have any query related to the topic, any topic rather, or any query related to the subject, so you can clear your doubts, your queries from any one of us. So we will always there to help you out in solving the query of this particular subject. Okay, next, moving towards the syllabus, as I said, you have two semester, semester 1 and semester 2. So in semester 1 you have five topics in foundation course. The topics are, first topic is overview of Indian society, in which we are going to study about different aspects of Indian society, as we are living in India, so and we are Indians, so we are following different cultures, traditions, custom, rituals. Okay, so we have different languages, different religions, which we are experiencing in our day to day life, and which we have come across, or which we see probably uh, in the society. So that's all things we are going to study here in this chapter. Next topic is concept of disparity part 1. So in this topic we are going to study about different inequalities which we are facing in the society, in the Indian society probably. Okay, next topic is concept of disparity part 2. This topic is the extension of the second topic. So again we are going to study the inequalities uh, between the society, or in the society, which we as a individual face in the society. So probably we will be focusing on the racism, regionalism, communalism, caste system. Okay, these things we are going to focus on in this chapter. Okay, next part is, next topic, the fourth topic is the Indian constitution. Here you are going to study about the preamble, the fundamental rights, different articles. See, the if you talk about the Indian constitution, so the Indian constitution is very vast, so you are not going to study the entire thing about the constitution, but little things, means few things which is important, or which is there in your syllabus, only those aspects of Indian constitution you will be studying in this chapter. Okay, the last topic is Indian political party system. So how does our Indian political party function? Okay, so that thing you're going to study here in this chapter. Okay, so these are the five modules, or you can say these are the five chapters which you will be studying in semester 1. Okay, so if you have any query till here, you can ask. Okay, some of you have asked which chapter, which author name we have to take for FC. As in Pushpa, the way it is up to you. If you want to take, if you want to make notes for your reference, you can make it. Okay, and Sonali ma'am has already asked you all to, but your name here it appears as Pushpa Dave. So how should I know? How would I know that you are Pushpa or you are Drishti? Okay, so it is up to you whether if you want to make notes for your own reference, you can. We will give you notes. of each chapter, the chapter which we are teaching. So we are going to provide you the notes, so don't worry about it. And yes, if you want to refer any book, the author book, Manan Prakashin or Shade Education, these two publication books are available in the market. But still, I am not asking you all ki you have to buy. Okay, you have to buy your FC ka textbook. Okay, it is up to you, it is optional. If you want to buy, if you want to buy the book, you can buy, or you can refer Manan Prakashin publication, or the author is Michael Vass, so you can refer his book if you want to. Okay, and the Sonali ma'am has already asked you all to prepare or make a FC notebook. Okay, so you have to prepare, you have to maintain FC notebook. You can make 100 or 200 pages notebook, and you have to make two parts of it. One part is for me, you have to keep it for me, and another part you have to keep it for Sonali ma'am's lecture. Okay, so it is okay, right now we cannot assess your notebook, but once the college resume after this lockdown, I hope this lockdown should end soon. So whenever this lockdown ends and whenever your college resumes, so that time we will be checking your notebook. So whatever we will ask you to write in your notebook, you have to write that particular thing. But in case if you want to add something extra, if you want to add your notes in that notebook, so you can do it, no worries in that. Yeah, so I hope the syllabus part is clear to everyone. Okay, so as I said, there are two professors who will be teaching you the subject. So first three topics: overview of Indian society, concept of disparity part one, concept of disparity part two. These three topics will be taught to you by me. That is Professor Simi Mulgaonkar. And the next two topic, the last two topic, the Indian Constitution and the Indian political party system. These two topics will be taught to you by Professor Sonali ma'am. Okay, I hope this till here this is clear. Now, many of you are worried or maybe worried about your exams. You must be thinking how you are going to appear for the exams. Okay, FC का paper कितने marks का होगा? How you will be appearing for your overall exams, how the exams are going to be conducted, xyz questions will be in your mind. So honestly, trust me, at the moment we are not to answer your these questions कि आपका FC का exam means आपके papers कैसे होंगे, how your exams are going to be conducted, because we have not been intimated anything from the university. The day we will get some information related to your exam, we will keep you posted, we will update you about your exam thing, so don't worry about it. Okay, right now only concentrate on your lectures and your studies. Yeah, so just for your information, foundation course paper is of 100 marks. As I said, you will be appearing for 100 marks paper, but there is a twist. If for this 100 marks, uh, there are two parts. This 100 mark has been segregated into two parts: internal and external. Internal carries 25 marks and external 75 marks. So internal, I have Sonali ma'am has already given you an idea what all things you need to do for internal. You have to maintain your attendance, you have to give the project, you have to submit the assignment. So these are the things which you have to do for your internal assignment or internal project. Okay, then external, coming moving to external part, this here you will be appearing for 75 marks paper. Okay, this is your 75 marks paper pattern. This is just for your reference. I'm not giving you any kind of assurity कि आपका जो एफसी का एक्सटर्नल पेपर है वो ऐसे ही पैटर्न में आएगा, सिंस ये पेंडेमिक के सिचुएशन में क्या होगा कैसे होगा, आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया। लेकिन हाँ, सिर्फ आपको एक रेफरेंस के तौर पे मैं बता रही हूँ कि ऐसा पेपर पैटर्न आपका होगा। केस इफ यूनिवर्सिटी आस्क अस टू कंडक्ट योर एग्जाम in this paper pattern, so this is how your paper pattern will be. Or else there will be, if they ask us to follow some other pattern, so you will be notified about that particular pattern later. ओके, बट जो भी होगा आपको पता चल जाएगा, सो डोंट वरी। So this is your paper pattern. Fill in the blanks where 10 questions be asked. Out of 10, you have to attempt any 8. Okay, which carries 8 marks. Question number 1B is true or false. Again, 10 questions will be asked. You have to attempt any 7, which carries 7 marks. Okay, altogether, this question number 1 will be of 50 marks. Next, question number 2A is a full length question, which is of 15 marks. Okay, with its internal option, it has a internal option. Question number 2B, 15 marks. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको करना क्या है? See, for example, if question number 2A is a question of like of India, explain India as a multicultural society. Question number B, question number 2B is a full length question. Again, the question will be, for example, explain the causes of gender declining ratio. So this question is question number 2. Okay, this two question is question number 2. One is question number 2A and question number 2B. तो आपको दोनों में से कोई एक attempt करना. You don't have to attempt both the questions. You have to attempt any one out of these two questions. Okay, you have been given an option. Either you can attempt question number 2A or question number 2B. Similarly, is same thing is applicable to question number 3 and question number 4. ओके सो इफ इन केस अगर कोई ऐसा सोच रहा है कि एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में ऐसा हो सकता है while appearing for your exam it may happen that you are not getting question number 3 at that moment, both the question number 3A and question number 3B, आपको दोनों भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आ रहा है. तो आप अगर ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि चलो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ही दोनों क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर लेता हूँ या कर लेती हूँ, तो वैसा मत करना, क्योंकि जो आप क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करोगे एक ही क्वेश्चन असेस किया जाएगा. सॉरी. I'm sorry. Only one question will be assessed uh, in question number 2 or question number 3, question number 4. Other question will be marked as extra question. Okay. Then in question number 5A is full length question. Question number 5B is write short notes where 5 questions will be asked and you have to attempt any 3. So this is how your paper pattern is. I hope you have understood. If you have any query, you can ask. Okay, do you have any query? Okay, I hope till here you have understood. Okay, हाँ, पॉइंट्स में आंसर होंगे. पॉइंट्स में ही आंसर लिखने हैं आपको. लेकिन आपको आपका पेपर कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है, हाउ यू हैव टू राइट योर पेपर, हाउ मच पॉइंट्स नीड्स टू बी रिटन इन पर्टिकुलर आंसर फॉर 15 marks, हाउ मच पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू राइट, एवरीथिंग वी विल टेल यू लेटर. अभी ये सब डिस्कस करके कोई मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज एट दिस मोमेंट वी आर नॉट श्योर विच पेपर पैटर्न वी हैव टू फॉलो. तो आपको अननेसेसरी उसके बारे में बता के कुछ मतलब नहीं है. राइट. तो जो भी होगा वी विल नोटिफाई और वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. right now I can only say you just concentrate on the lectures and study. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's move ahead. I hope till here you have no doubts. Okay, now we'll play one game. Okay. I will be showing you some pictures. Some pictures will get displayed on your screen, and you have to identify that picture name, and you have to post your answers in the chat box. आपको करना क्या है, आपके स्क्रीन पे एक पिक्चर, मतलब बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स विजिबल होंगे. आपको वो पिक्चर का नाम आइडेंटिफाई करना है और आपको पोस्ट करना है आपके चैट बॉक्स में. ओके, नो नीड टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्पीक. You can post your answers in the chat box. Okay, let's start. So identify the name of this monument. Okay, done. Okay, let me read your comments. Okay, Hawa Mahal correct, Kedarnath correct, India Gate correct, Taj Mahal absolutely correct. Not Taj Hotel Abhishek, it's Taj Mahal. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Okay, now you will see two different dance forms. Okay, and you have to identify these two dance forms. You have to identify the and you have to tell the name, which dance form it is, and the origin, the place of origin. Okay, done. Okay, Bharatnatyam is correct. Kathak is correct. Now tell me the origin from where Bharatnatyam has been originated and Kathakali has been originated from where? Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu is correct. Kathakali from Kerala, correct. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Yes. Now it's 10:25 a.m. in the morning, and trust me, I'm feeling very hungry. I have continuous lecture from morning, so now you are. I think you might be you hungry. So now you are going to see some images of food on your screen, and you have to identify the name of that food and the origin of that food. Okay, wait. Okay, now let's start. भूख लग रही होगी कुछ लोगों को शायद. How many of you are missing pani puri outside pani puri? Oh my god, so much. Okay. Chole, first one is Chole Bhature, correct. Abhishek Kumar Gupta. From Punjab, correct. Harshad Gupta. Then dosa, idli dosa, South India, correct. Where, Yusuf Ali, where did you find pav bhaji? Chole Bhature and idli dosa is correct. Okay, next. Okay, dhokla is correct. Somebody will say ki it is called khaman. Okay, it is correct. Dhokla. Dhokla from Gujarat, correct. Vada pav from Mumbai, correct. Pani puri. is correct. Okay, you have your dal bati Rajasthan. Yeah, correct. That was Nelson. That was dal bati. Dal bati chur. If it is dal bati churma, then it is from Rajasthan. If it is bati chokha or litti chokha, then it is from Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. Pani puri all over India, yeah. But pani puri has been named differently in different states. Yeah. For example, in tell me what is it called in Gujarat? Puchka, right? If I think Golgappa, it is called, I guess, in Uttar Pradesh. Golgappa, it is called in Uttar Pradesh, I believe. Yeah. Puchka, pakodi in Gujarat, right? पानी के बताशे. Oh, puchka in Kolkata. Yeah, sorry. फुल्की in उत्तर प्रदेश. I didn't knew this. मुझे तो सिर्फ गोलगप्पा ही पता है वहां पे. पकौड़ी in Rajasthan. Okay. Patashi in Rajasthan. Okay, so it has been called by different names in this area. Okay, fine. So next image. Let's move to the next image. मुझे तो बहुत भूख लग रही है. Okay, now identify this picture's name and origin. Okay, let me tell you one thing. The first image, left side top image is not tulsi, pudina, something, cumin, नहीं है. Uh, that image is something else. So try to identify properly. Hitesh Puri Goswami, correct. It is tea. Tea leaves, Assam. Correct. Mango from Ratnagiri. Basically, mango, even where Ratnagiri, they've got different places it comes. Yeah. Apple from Kashmir. Okay, correct. Absolutely correct. So you must be, you people. So did you all enjoyed the game? The game is over. So did you all enjoyed the game? Yes. So you must be thinking why I have played this game. What is the reason behind it? You must be wondering, right? Or some of you might know ki what is the reason behind playing this game. Okay, so the reason is I'll reveal the reason, but before that, tell me. Oh wow, Drashti Agarwal, you to check IQ and feel fresh. Okay. To make you feel fresh, that was an idea. It was there, but to check your IQ was not my motto. After playing this game, just for fun, I have played this game, but टू एक और एक ये भी चीज था कि since it is a fourth lecture, since this is a fourth lecture, so you might have drained और आपका एनर्जी लेवल थोड़ा कम हो गया रहेगा तो टू मेक यू. ओके सेकंड लेक्चर है. फाइन. ओके आई एम सॉरी माय बैड आई डिडंट न्यू दिस. ओके ठीक है. तो मुझे भी एक बात बताओ कि आपने जो पिक्चर्स के नाम आइडेंटिफाई किए, राइट? और ये जो जगह के नाम आपने बोले, ओरिजिन जो आपने उसके बोले, टेल मी कौन से कंट्री में आता है वो? ओके, ये मेरा इंडिया, राइट। हिंदुस्तान, भारत, इंडिया, राइट। हाँ। So the main reason of playing this game is that मैंने आपको, अगर याद होगा, आपको स्टार्ट में जब मैं चैप्टर्स के नाम बता रही थी, तब आपको बोला रहेगा, मैंने आपको बोला था कि द फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज ओवरव्यू ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी. सो अंडर दैट चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ टूर ऑफ इंडिया, right? So we have already started with the chapter discussion. The chapter name is Overview of Indian Society. So this is the chapter what we are going to study for next few days. Yeah. So you have seen different. I have not shown more pictures. Okay. So different. You might have come across different food cuisines of India. Then the dance forms. Okay. Then different places to visit in India. Okay, so basically we have a tour of India right now. Okay, so these are the points which we are going to cover under this topic. India is a multicultural society, demographic composition, population distribution, linguistic diversity, regional variations, rural culture, sorry, rural urban tribal characteristics, diversity as difference. So these are the points which we will be covering under this topic. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the session. Yeah, it is said that India is a cultural heritage. Okay, so you may find everything in India, right? So I hope you had fun and you have enjoyed the session. Yes, so I'm not starting the further discussion today, since this is your very first lecture. So in other division also I have conducted the lecture in same manner. Further this discussion we'll do it in the next class, that is tomorrow. We have a lecture tomorrow, so we will be doing further discussion tomorrow. Okay, so if you have any query so far, you can ask your queries. लोगों को कुछ पूछना है, कोई डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. हेमंत कदम